Garvin Industries now manufactures stamped steel rod hanging beam clamps made from stainless steel for wet locations. These particular clamps come for a 3/8 inch, ½ inch, 5/8 or 3/4 inch rod. It's quite easy. You simply slide it on your beam, tighten down the set screw, very secure on the beam. Then you tighten the jam nut against the beam to prevent any vibratory loosening of this clamp. The threaded aperture in the bottom is set up for either 3/8, ½ inch, 5/8 or 3/4 inch rod. Once it is secure on the beam and positioned the way you need it, you can take your threaded rod, align it with the threads of the clamp, and simply screw it in quickly and easily. Just align your threads with the threads in the bottom of the clamp and it screws in quickly and easily. And you now have a drop rod of 3/8, ½ inch, 5/8 or 3/4 inch. So you can hang a variety of electrical or plumbing fixtures from overhead beams. For these and other great products made from stainless steel, visit us online at garvinindustries.com.